everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yes, Armani Lifestyle dropped a video today. He released his single, I think 2 days ago, and it has been #1 on the R&B charts. Congratulations to Armani. This is his second single that he released independent, and it is going good. #1 on the charts both times. Congratulations again to him. So he released a video today and saying, my girlfriend Reginae did this with me because of my song hitting #1. Let's see what Nene did to him. Let's see. All right, but before we get started with this video, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now because you already know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right, thank you everybody for watching my last few videos that I posted. I really appreciate it. I'm not going to react to Reginae's video that she posted yesterday because, you know, they was just playing toss the thing and a ping pong. Her and Armand was arguing back and forth. They was gambling for money. It was a whole little vibe they was doing. So that's what they did yesterday in Reginae's video. So this video, we going to see what they did. I think this probably was the last day that they was in a cabin, because as of today they with Toya family or Reginae family in a cabin. So they in another cabin, but just a different location. All right, let's get started with this video.
R&B #4. Look at my knees. #1 R&B, #4 all genres. We need that #1 all genre spot. Go ahead, bro. You jumping in? They got a dryer, bro.
Hey, Lotto.
They got a dryer, bro. No.
Lotto, why you drop that girl in the pool like that? She still with you though. She ain't break up with you. She was on your vlog when you went out of town for your birthday. I seen y'all outside doing everything. I seen y'all. Okay. Don't drop her in the pool like that no more, Lotto. Every time I see you, I get mad about that. Don't drop her in the pool no more like that. No more like that, Lotto. I'm mad still.
No, don't jump in that picture, bro. You tripping, bro. I'm about to jump up in this bit. I'm about to jump up in this bit. I jump up in that bit. Alright, come on. You gotta jump up in this bit. You gotta get right here, though. Cause then that's the middle of that motherfucker. That's deeper, though. You sure? Yeah, go ahead. I know the lighting was better. It's hot. It's hot. I know the lighting was better over here. Okay. Is that it? The weed.
Armand, why you acting like you don't know how to swim, shawty? Jump in the pool. Tell me, is it super deep? You already know how to swim. Jump in this pool.
Is it hot? That is hot, man. That bitch is hot. Don't do it to him. Try to go back a little bit, bitch. Or forward a little bit, bitch. Front. #4 all genre.
#4 all genre.
#1 R&B.
#1 R&B.
Come on.
Let's go. Let's
Keep
go.
going under the bridge. There we go. #1, you know what I'm saying, R&B song. #4 all genres. I need you to flip here. That's what I need, man. So my what? Boy, you gotta be calculated. You feel me? You cold if you do that. You a cold man, you do that one. What? A flip in that little bit ass space. Keep trying. Give me the crack in my head. Hell no. I'll come up off you. It's cold now. Hey, hell no. You gotta stand underneath the water. And if you get too cold, I'm gonna jump right in that jacuzzi. Hey, man, y'all want to see me jump in that jacuzzi? 4-3 weather? Come on, man.
Go on and jump in the jacuzzi. Hey, Nene do not like when Armand be doing crazy stuff. She be like, no, Armand, no, you're going to get sick. She is such a caring girlfriend. That is so sweet, though. She be like, no, you're going to get sick. Because she already know if he gets sick, I'm going to have to baby him. Please don't get sick, Joe.
Yep. I gotta go. You gotta get the jacuzzi. I'm gonna go put on some different clothes. Yep. All right, hey, look, let me see you in a minute.
Dang. Hey, even though this ain't my favorite song, the melody on this song and those that like the sound melody, I don't know. The background sound, piano, sounds so pretty on this song. Literally, it sounds so pretty. That part right there sounds so pretty. Don't do it. Don't do it, Armand. Don't do it. Lotto finna set you up, boy. He be with Lotto be with the shits. Armand, don't do it. Don't do it. Cut the jets on.
Hey, turn it up. Where's that right now? What's the temperature? 104. Dang, 104? Oh. You feel like 30. Oh, shit. It's gonna get hot. It's gonna get hot.
Hell nah.
Hey, song is #1 on R&B, #4 on all motherfucking genres.
Yeah.
Hey, 1 and 4.
1 and 4.
Hey, this shit ain't.
Hey, can he talk? Is it what the water? If the water is high, why they still acting like it's cold? Because they head cold. I guess because they head cold.
Hey, this shit ain't hitting, bro.
Yeah.
This bitch ain't hitting, friend. How this supposed to? I even took the clothes in off your motherfucker. Yeah, that's what it is. That's exactly what it is.
Cause what? Cause what?
This bitch ain't hitting, friend. How this supposed to? I even took the clothes in off your motherfucker.
Oh, the cover was off
That's
of
what
it.
it is. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah, the cover was off of it.
Damn, we gotta throw that bitch on. We can't stay in here, bro. Who gonna put it on? This shit cold.
They don't even want to get out.
This shit stupid. I can't do it.
They don't want to get out.
Oh shit. I can't do it.
Lotto didn't even want to get out.
This shit's so cold.
Lotto didn't even want to get out. Hurry up, Lotto. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Jump in the water. Yeah.
y'all. So, I just woke up. Babe, where my voice go?
You just woke up.
Ah, hell no. Here go the fuck shit right here. Talking about where his voice go and starting to sound hoarse and stuff. No. Because Nene told you not to jump in that pool. She told you. Huh.
Okay.
What? You just woke up. That's why your voice is gone.
So, what's up, y'all? I just woke up and my voice is gone.
Yeah.
But,
Y'all, I swear that he want to be sick every other day.
Yeah.
He's not going at some, like, you know, like morning voice or morning breath or like his
here she goes. She's gonna diagnose me with whatever she want to diagnose me with. She told morning breath, morning sickness.
Yeah.
Say what's up to my people.
Hi, y'all.
You like the song, baby?
I love the song. It's one of my favorites. I've been telling him to drop it.
But girl,
Y'all hear one of her favorites, not her favorite. One of her favorites. One of her favorites, not her favorite song. Y'all little people in the comments be trying to fight me. I'll be tussling right with y'all, though. Huh.
my girlfriend been telling me to drop it, y'all. But once again, I thank y'all, appreciate y'all. I'm finna get up, get out the bed.
Yeah.
If I talk right, but this how my voice is.
Oh my God. Babe. Cut it.
Babe, I'm serious. My voice is
Don't
gone.
say, babe, I'm serious.
Crazier and crazier every time we talk.
But that's because, well, hold on. I gotta do it. If I'm talking like this, then I'm good. But if I talk in my real voice, it's gone.
Gone.
Facts.
Facts.
Shit. Bruh, that's annoying. Okay, listen, y'all. Trying to talk right. My girlfriend think I'm not talking right, but I am. Say it with me, man.
What? Oh, what did you just say, man? Because you was talking in a fake horse.
Girl, why would I talk in a fake voice?
Because it's a morning.
No, that's your fake
Oh, you
voice.
know what? Actually, it's because you went in that hot tub in that cold.
Yep.
And I told
I knew it. Tell him, Nene. Tell him that's why. Tell him. You told him not to do it. Throw it back in his face, Nene. Now he want to sit here and say he got a horse throat. That's why.
you not to. Because it's 7 degrees outside.
That's not what it is.
Yep, that's what it is.
7. Okay.
Okay.
I told you.
Here she go, y'all. Here she go, y'all.
Yeah.
Take care of my baby because he's going to be complaining.
Yeah,
He's sick.
I told y'all.
Complaining that I'm sick.
You know you
Yeah.
be sick.
Be crying, complaining, and everything.
Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all, man. My baby said she love y'all.
Yes, y'all. Yes, number 1 on R&B chart. Stop playing.
Yes, yes.
Stop playing with
We
him.
love y'all. We'll see y'all in the next video on
Gang. Okay, y'all. So that was a vlog for Armani Lifestyle. Yes, that was a great vlog. They doing some little pool action, jacuzzi tub action. They all look like they had a great time at the cabin. Congratulations again to Armand for going #1 on iTunes. And congratulations again. Now drop the song that I like. Drop my song. And Nene's song. Drop I Caught You next. Not next year, which that's when he say he gonna drop it. So it is what it is. All right, thank you all for watching. Let me know how you all feel about this vlog in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.